Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a taco cards, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like 40 and 1/4 inches in the width, and the depth of the unit is about like 26 and 3/4 inches. And the overall heights, they are almost about like 40 inches for the edge, not including handlebars. And we can see the unit is coming with a couple parts, and they do having the two starter at the front, and we have small windows at the front to monitoring the fire inside. They do having the full casters. It's movable, the cart, and also the legs. You need to assemble them when you receive it. And we do having the two separate parts on top of the machine. This is griddle pans, and this is steam warmers. And on side of the units, we can see they have small drawers. You can just fully take it out. On top of the unit, they have a small dust collector hose here. You can clean all the stuff through this hole to this tray. And we can take a look closer to see the dimensions on top. We can see the griddle pans. It is about like a 19 and 3/4 inches deep and 23.5 inches wide. For the thickness, it is about like 1/2 inches. And on side of the units, we can see they have a steam warmers. For these pantries, it is about like a 12.5 inches long and almost 7 inches in the width. And inner side depth about like 4 inches. They come in with the lid with it, and also when we opened it, the manufacturer offered this is a replacement the switchers and the solder lighters, and also they give you the gasket connections for this one for the propane tank. So when we take a look closer, we can see this pantry units we can completely remove, and the inner side they come in with the two burners on each of the side, and also for these parts. On the right hand, the small parts, you can just swap into the deep fryer units too. This will be the all demonstration information about this taco cards units. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.